Welcome to Island Insight. Join us as we dive deep into the azure waters of Sri Lanka, exploring one of its most captivating marine sanctuaries, Pigeon Island. Nestled off the pristine shores of Nilaveli, this national park offers an unparalleled snorkeling experience, brimming with vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life. If you're seeking an unforgettable underwater adventure, Pigeon Island is your ultimate destination. Pigeon Island, a subaquatic wonderland in Nilaveli. This article, prepared for the Island Insight channel, details the snorkeling experience at Pigeon Island and provides essential information for foreign tourists visiting Sri Lanka. Nilaveli, located on Sri Lanka's eastern coast, is renowned for its beautiful beaches and crystal-clear waters. Approximately 1 kilometer offshore lies Pigeon Island National Park, an ideal spot for snorkeling and diving. As one of Sri Lanka's 2 marine national parks, its unique coral reef systems and diverse marine inhabitants have made it highly popular among tourists worldwide. History and origin of the name. This island earned its name, Pigeon Island, from the blue rock pigeons that inhabit it. These birds naturally reside on the island, which serves as a primary breeding ground for them. During the colonial era, the British military also utilized the island as a shooting range. It was designated as a sanctuary in 1963 and later declared Sri Lanka's 17th national park in 2003. The uniqueness of Pigeon Island. Pigeon Island stands apart from other snorkeling sites for 2 main reasons. Firstly, as a protected marine national park, motorboats and fishing are prohibited within its boundaries. Furthermore, the number of visitors allowed on the island daily is limited. This protection has allowed the marine ecosystem to naturally thrive, contributing to the rich diversity of corals and marine life found here. Secondly, its location, approximately 1 kilometer offshore from Nilaveli in the open Indian Ocean, ensures exceptionally clean and clear waters. Snorkeling zones. Pigeon Island features 2 primary snorkeling zones. 1. The Lagoon. This is a sheltered area situated between the 2 small islands. The water depth ranges from 2 to 4 meters, and conditions are typically calm with excellent visibility. Here, you can frequently spot coral gardens, green turtles, and hawksbill turtles. This zone is highly suitable for families, less confident swimmers, and first-time snorkelers, as the underwater beauty can be clearly observed from the surface. What you might see: turtles, abundant; parrotfish, surgeonfish, groupers, moray eels, and occasional small blacktip reef sharks. 2. The Outer Reef. Located on the ocean-facing side of the islands, this area is deeper, 5 to 15 meters, with potentially stronger currents. This is where blacktip reef sharks congregate in larger numbers. Witnessing a 1.5-meter shark gliding through the clear waters is an unforgettable Sri Lankan marine experience. This zone is best suited for confident swimmers. What you might see: blacktip reef sharks, common, 0.8 to 1.5 meters, Napoleon wrasse, larger trevally, occasional eagle rays, and deeper coral formations. Regarding sharks, the blacktip reef sharks at Pigeon Island are not dangerous to snorkelers. They are relatively small, maximum 1 to 1.5 meters, and shy. They primarily hunt reef fish and show no interest in humans. It is advised not to chase or touch them, and to move slowly and calmly if they approach. Best time to visit. The ideal time to visit Pigeon Island is from May to September. June and July typically offer the best visibility, 15 to 25 meters, coinciding with the East Coast's dry season. During the northeast monsoon, October to March, access to the island can be difficult and water clarity is reduced. Time of day. Mornings are highly recommended. By 11 a.m., the southeast breeze tends to pick up, creating choppy conditions that can reduce visibility. How to reach Nilaveli. There are several ways to get to Nilaveli from Colombo. By train. Take an overnight or daytime train from Colombo Fort to Trincomalee, then a tuk-tuk, 20 to 30 minutes, to Nilaveli. By bus. Comfortable or standard buses operate from Colombo to Trincomalee. By air. Airlines like Cinnamon Air offer flights from Colombo to Trincomalee, China Bay. Other nearby attractions. While visiting Pigeon Island, don't miss these attractions around Trincomalee. 1. Koneeswaram Temple, an ancient Hindu temple perched on a cliff with stunning ocean views. 2. Fort Frederick, a historic fort with Portuguese, Dutch, and British influences. 3. Whale watching. From March to September, you can spot blue whales and dolphins in the waters off Trincomalee. 4. Upuveli Beach, a perfect spot to relax and enjoy various food and drinks. Important information for foreigners visiting Sri Lanka. To ensure a smooth trip, foreign visitors to Sri Lanka should be aware of the following. Visa, ETA. It is mandatory to obtain an electronic travel authorization, ETA, online before arriving in Sri Lanka. For citizens of certain countries, this may be free of charge. Applications can be made via the official website, eta.gov.lk. Currency. The local currency is the Sri Lankan rupee, LKR. ATMs are widely available in major cities, and Visa and MasterCard are generally accepted. However, it's essential to carry cash for smaller purchases and local transport. Communication. Tourist SIM cards are available at the airport. Dialog and Mobitel offer the best coverage across the island. Dress code and etiquette. When visiting religious sites like temples and covels, it's mandatory to dress modestly, covering shoulders and knees. Also, avoid taking photos with your back to Buddha statues. Specific tips for visitors to Pigeon Island. Foreign visitors planning a trip to Pigeon Island should pay special attention to these points. Limited facilities. As a national park, Pigeon Island has no toilet facilities, food stalls, or accommodation. Therefore, it's crucial to prepare everything you need before your visit. Essential items to bring: sufficient drinking water, light snacks, hats, sunglasses, and your own snorkeling gear, if preferred, are highly recommended. Safety warnings. Be cautious of sea urchins and, at certain times, jellyfish. Avoid walking barefoot on corals. Photography and drones. While photography is generally allowed, prior permission from the Department of Wildlife Conservation is mandatory for using drones. Waste management. Littering, especially with plastics, is strictly prohibited on the island. Please ensure you take all your waste back with you. Practical and eco-friendly advice. Departure points. Boats depart from Nilaveli Beach, 15 minutes to the island, Upuveli, 25 minutes, and Trincomalee Town, 30 minutes. Nilaveli is the closest and most common departure point. Cost. A shared boat trip from Nilaveli, including national park entry, costs approximately LKR 1,500 to 2,500 per person. A private boat for up to 6 people costs around LKR 5,000 to 8,000. Protect the environment. Do not touch marine life or corals, stand on corals, feed fish, or bring plastic bottles to the island. Sun protection. Try to use reef-safe sunscreen to protect the delicate coral ecosystem. Conclusion. Pigeon Island, with its exceptional marine ecosystem, vibrant coral reefs, and diverse sea creatures, promises an unforgettable snorkeling experience for any traveler to Sri Lanka. The opportunity to swim alongside blacktip reef sharks and observe turtles up close truly makes this island a magical destination. We hope this Island Insight Guide helps you plan your perfect adventure to this subaquatic paradise. Don't just dream about it. Come and experience the wonder for yourself.